Okay guys, this is a 2022 Kia Telluride EX with the night, I don't remember what it's called, night something, with all the blackout package. This is a EX Premium. Does have that sticker on the hood. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was rear suspension, rear bumper, rear quarter. Leather EX sunroof. Start it up here for you. So 33,263 on the miles. Has adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. Has a locking differential, the auto hold button, smart key. So wireless phone charging, backup camera, does have navigation. So there's your lane assist, blind spot monitors, power folding mirrors with blind spot monitors, power windows and locks, power seats, floor mats. Seats pretty clean. Your VIN number. It's got Michelin tires on it. So third row here. Captain's chairs here in the rear. Sunshades there for the kids. Does have the hitch. So you can make these seats so they recline a little bit too. You can see, set them upright. You have the button to fold them. Power on the sides of the seat. Cup holders back there. And sunshades. LED lights. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.